Good morning, dear students. The law of variable proportions is an important place in the theory of economics. Before we understand the law, we understand the production functions. Factors of production on time basis. These factors of production are two types. Variable factors. Factors those can change in short run are called variable factors. For example, labor, raw material, fuel, electricity, transport. Fixed factors. Factors those can't change in a short run are called fixed factors. Buildings, machinery, equipment, tools, technology. These are some fixed factors. Types of production. Production function is two types. First one is short-run production function. Short-run production function explains the changes that take place in production when the fixed factors such as land, machinery, capital, etc. are kept constant. The variable factors change such as labor and raw materials. For example, law of variable proportions. Long run production function. In the long run, all the factors are variable factors. So, the long term production function explains the changes that occur in the production by changing all the factors. It explains law of variable, law of returns to scale, law of variable proportions. Law of variable proportions describes the changes in the production of goods as one factor increases while the other factors of production remain constant. Statement of the law. If one factor is increased and the other factors are kept constant, the output will decrease after one phase. G.J. Stigler. The law specifies the relationship between production and factors of production in short run. Marshall named it as law of diminishing returns. Law of variable proportions assumptions. The law is based on some assumptions. The law is in short run. There will be no change in production related technology. The combination or ratios of factors can be changed, all but the variable factor are constant. The variable factor means that the workers are homogeneous. The different units of variable factor are same. It means the units of variable factor same features and potential. This theory applies to all fixed factors including the land. We understand the law, we know some concepts of production. These are first one, total production. Total production is the total product of different factors of production is called total production. or total output, average production. The product obtained by each variable factor is called average production. Average production is equal to total production by variable factor. AP is equal to TP by L. Marginal production or marginal product, MP. Marginal product obtained by additional variable factor. Marginal product is equal to change in total product by change in variable factor. That is equal to MP is equal to delta TB by delta L. According to the law, marginal, average, and total productions are increased at first when a change in factors of production, while other factors of production are constant. This is called first stage. The variable factor labor increasing from 1 to 3, the total production increase first uh, 5 and then 12 and 18. The average production is 5, 6, 6. Marginal production is 5, 7, 6. In this first stage, the total production, average production, and marginal production are increasing. So, the first stage is called as growth stage. At the fourth factor, fourth variable factor or fourth laborer, the total production is 20. At the fifth factor also is 20. Average production become decrease. Marginal production become 0. At the fifth laborer, the total production is maximum and marginal production is 0. In this second stage, when total production is highest, the marginal production is 0. It is called second stage or diminishing stage. After that, sixth and seventh laborers, the total production decreasing and average production also decreasing, marginal production become negative. So the third stage is called as negative stage. First stage or growth stage. In the first stage, the productions that are total, average, and marginal productions are increasing because of labor of division of labor, specialization, less quantity of variable factor. Second stage or diminishing stage. For diminishing stage, some causes are total production maximum and marginal product is 0. It is happened in the second stage. Factors of production reached to optimum level. It is the ideal stage. Third stage or negative stage. Total, average productions are diminishing and marginal product is negative in this stage. Lack of coordination between fixed and variable factors. Rational producer continues his production in second stage. The law of production explained through a graphical representation. Variable factor labor is shown on x-axis. Total, average and marginal products are shown on y-axis. TPC curve. TPC is total production curve. APC curve is average production curve, and MPC curve is marginal production curve. When APC curve and MPC curve are intersect, it ends the first stage or growth stage. When the TPC or total product is maximum and marginal product is 0, it ends the second stage. It is second stage. After that is third stage or negative stage. Importance of the law of variable proportions. The law of variable proportions indicates optimum population. The law explains the reasons for migration. The law of variable proportions is applicable to all sectors. The law is base to the law of reference to scale. The law is applicable to the economic development. This is some explanation about law of variable proportions. Thank you. Wish you all the best.